Assalamualaikum. Let's start it off a GK quiz. Most repeated MCQs of all competitive exams. Question number 1. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? Best answer will be option D. Question number 2. What is the smallest unit of matter? A is the best answer. Question number 3. Which country recently announced its withdrawal from the Paris Agreement? Subscribe, like and share. Best option C. Question number 4. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Best option A. Question number 5. Which blood type is considered the universal recipient? Best answer option C. Question number 6. How many elements are there in periodic table? Best answer option C. Question number 7. Which country is the largest producer of oil in the world? Best answer option A. Question number 8. Which blood type is considered as the rarest? Best answer option C. Question number 9. Who discovered the theory of relativity? Subscribe, share, like and stay tuned. Best answer option B. Question number 10. Which country recently experienced a volcanic eruption? Best answer option D. Question number 11. In which country was the bicycle first invented? Best answer B. Question number 12. Which is the tree that does not contain wood? Best answer option B. Question number 13. In which game is the word cinnamon used? Best answer option C. Question number 14. When the Taliban took over Kabul? Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned. Best answer option A. Question number 15. In which year did Christopher Columbus discovered America? Best answer A. Question number 16. What is the motto of Asian Games? Best answer will be option C. Question 17. Pakistan's ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested in Toshakhana case on. Best answer option D. Question number 18. Sweat glands occur in the greatest number in skin of the. Best answer option B. Question 19. Two men talk on the moon. Best answer will be option D. 20, which is found in the nail polish remover. Please like, share, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Best answer will be option